How to use PIN instead of password in Windows. Using a PIN instead of a password in Windows can be more convenient and secure, as you don't have to remember a complex password or worry about someone hacking your account online. However, if you prefer to use a password, you can set it up in the following steps. Go to Start Settings, Account Sign-in Options. Under Password, select Add and enter your current PIN to verify your identity. Enter and confirm your preferred password and click Next. Click Finish to complete the process. Now you can use your password instead of your PIN to sign into Windows. Source: Windows Sign-in Options and Account Protection, Microsoft Support. https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/windows/windows-sign-in-options-and-account-protection 7b34d4cf-794f-f6bd-ddcc-e73cdf